Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new video, a new experiment, magic writing experiment. So let's go into the video. We'll see how to do this trick now.
For this we have taken two plates, one plain plate like this and then another deeper plate. In this we are going to put the water, and then we have taken two papers of the same size. The paper should be of the same size. So now let's see how to do it. Now we'll pour water into this plate.
You can pour as how much you want.
I will pour this much water. Now we'll take one piece of paper and soak it into this water. Now drain it off. Now we'll take that plain plate and place this wet paper on this as it is, like this. Next we'll take this other piece of paper and place it on this wet paper. Now we'll take this pencil and I will write the message. After writing this message, we take out this paper from above. Now we can see the impression. So this is the magic, the trick. Now we put this wet paper to dry in the sun. Now we'll take out this paper from this plate and keep it to dry here. After drying, we will see the reaction. So let's see the reaction. After dry, we'll leave it for a few minutes in the sun. After keeping this paper to dry in the sun, the text has already totally disappeared. See, there is no text. Now we'll get back the text onto this paper. There is no text in this paper. Now to get back the text in this paper, we'll take this same plate and dip this paper back into this water. Hope you all can see the text coming. See, the text has come. So the process is repeated. Now you dry this paper, again the text will vanish, and then again you dip it into the water and you repeat this process. The text appears, and this is the magic writing. Hope you all like this video. Finishing.
Guys, please like all our video and comment your thoughts in the comment box. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe the channel and click the bell button for more video. And thank you. Bye.